sense that.
All right, listen up because I'm going to show you how to win the argument against gun control every time. Oh, look what we have here. Article 6, Paragraph 2. The Constitution and laws of the United States which shall be made in pursuance thereof, and all treaties made, or which shall be made, under the authority of the United States, shall be the supreme law of the land, and the judges in every state shall be bound thereby. Anything in the Constitution or laws, or any state to the contrary, notwithstanding. That means notwithstanding in law. That means anything to the contrary of the Constitution is notwithstanding in law. Now, here we have the Second Amendment. I want you to look at this real closely. I want you to pay attention to those commas. A well-regulated militia, comma. Okay, now we're on to a separate thing. Being necessary to the security of a free state, comma. Now we're on to a separate thing. The right of the people to keep and bear arms, comma. Now we're on to a separate thing. Shall not be infringed. Now what's that mean? Infringed. It basically means that you can't even create a law about it that would be constitutional. Anything, any little bit infringed, not even the slightest little bit. And for the people who say it's a well-regulated militia, that means the military. No, it doesn't. And regulated doesn't mean what you think it means either. Regulated means maintain. But they didn't have machine guns back then. It doesn't matter. Which brings us right back to Article 6 again. Anything to the contrary shall not stand in law. Well, a machine gun is an arm, so it shall not be infringed. Furthermore, the United States Constitution is a contract, and a contract is designed to benefit the beneficiary. And the beneficiary of the Constitution is the people. Isn't it obvious? I mean, look how it starts. So they can make all the laws that they want. It's really policies, not laws. But if they're unconstitutional in any way and you can prove it and you don't have a lawyer, you're probably going to win. So any amendment or law which contradicts with any previous amendment or law is essentially null and void in the Constitution. You have no responsibility to obey, and they have no authority to enforce. And there are thousands of Supreme Court judgments that show that. All right.